Hello, Aggies, Trojans, and Golden Eagle alumni. Welcome to the step-by-step tutorial on how to navigate the University of Minnesota Crookston's Digital Conservancy. Many of our alumni have asked if there's a simple way to access information from their era. Luckily, our office has that covered. Today, we'll be going over a step-by-step tutorial on how to find the information you've been looking for. As you can see on the screen, we have Google. The first step is to go to your search bar and either copy and paste or type in the link. The link is z.umn.edu/digitalarchives. Once that's in the search bar, you can go ahead and press enter. Now we are in our Digital Conservancy. If you scroll down, you can see that we offer a variety of collections ranging from yearbooks, commencement programs, our Torch magazine, and even our most recent publication, the Torchlight e-newsletter. We also have a recently added section. If you are looking for something or someone, you can go to this search bar. For this example, we will be using our leader, Brandy Chafee. Simply type their name in, and after that's done, press go. This brings you to a page filled with all of the publications that they were mentioned in. If you want to narrow your search, go to your left screen and you can narrow it by type, author, or date. If you want more results per page, you can click this button where they have different options. Say we're looking for this specific Torch magazine. If you click the link, it will bring you to a page where it offers more details about the publication. If you want to view the publication, simply click on this link right here where it says View and Download File. After you click this and it loads, it will bring up the entire publication for you to read and view. Say we want to search where Brandy is specifically in the publication. You can go to this search bar right here and type in her name, press enter, and it will bring you directly to where she is mentioned in the magazine. You can use these two arrows to see where else they are also mentioned. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to reach out to our alumni office. We'd love to chat and help you walk through the process, but we hope this helps you find what you're looking for.